It's me and my etzMAX baby. We're gonna show you today how to clean the grinder after its work.
Welcome to our first tutorial how to clean the etzMAX grinder. This is an etzMAX medium. This is Christian.
Hi.
I'm Andrea. We're gonna show you how to easily clean the burrs and the grinding shamba by using a regular brush and a small brush for the adjustment with the cone holder. Christian will show you because he likes doing it.
Absolutely, hi.
First, you turn the pin shut-off handle from position open to position closed. To completely empty the grinding chamber, you need to start and continue grinding. You will hear when it's empty.
It's empty now.
Before you continue, unplug the grinder.
Unplugged.
Push both locking levers all the way to the back. Lift off the hopper and place it upside down on its lid. Close the locking levers. Now carefully pull out the portafilter holder and place it aside. You remove the adjustment by turning it counterclockwise until you feel no more resistance all the way to the stop. Then slowly pull it downwards and out. Now you may take your brush and clean the grinding chamber by moving the brush up and down. Take the adjustment with the cone holder and clean it with the small brush.
From both sides. Just by brushing. That's it.
Reassemble the adjustment in reverse order. And return to your previous settings.
Now it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks.
Replace the portafilter holder onto the center hook. Open the locking levers.
Open.
Place back the hopper.
And place back the hopper.
Close the locking levers by pulling them to the front. Rotate the pin shut-off handle from closed to open position.
Open.
Plug in the grinder.
We plug in the grinder.
And have another shot.
We go back to business.
Thank you for watching. We will be back with more tutorials real soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.